Maybe you tell yourself, it's just my phone, I can ignore it. And then 10 minutes later, you are scrolling. You are not weak. Your attention is just unprotected. Creative block often feels like a lack of ideas, but many times it's simply a lack of uninterrupted space. Here is a simple idea. Attention needs protection before it can create. Let's break that into calm, clear parts. First, your brain looks for quick rewards. If your phone is within reach, it promises something easy and fast. A message, a notification, a short video. That tiny promise pulls your focus. Second, creative work feels uncertain. When you start drawing or designing, you do not know if it will turn out well. That uncertainty feels uncomfortable. Your brain prefers the comfort of your phone. Third, even seeing your phone change your posture. You sit slightly alert, slightly ready to check it. That small tension interrupts deep focus. For example, if you sit down to sketch and your phone is next to your pencil, you might tell yourself, I'll just check one message. That message becomes three. Your sketch never starts. But if your phone is physically out of reach, your brain has fewer quick exits. You are more likely to begin. Here is how this works in a simple flow. First, you notice your current setup. Next, you move one distraction out of reach. Then, you begin a short creative session immediately. This works because it removes friction before you rely on motivation. You are not fighting yourself. You are adjusting your environment. In simple words, this is not about forcing focus. It is about clearing the doorway so focus can walk in naturally. If this helped you understand why creative block feels heavier than it should, and you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And you also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including drawing, painting, design, and beginner creative habits. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clearer or calmer is enough. It helps more beginners discover this video. And I'd love to know what distraction shows up most for you. If you have any question, you can always ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this felt helpful, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who feels stuck lately, and subscribe so you have a calm next step waiting for you.